Hi, I'm Tricia from Club Scrap. Are you ready to see a brand new page kit? This one's called Architectural Elements. Let's take a peek. And here is that stunning collection. It's so classic, so classy. If you've been to Europe lately, or maybe a long time ago, or maybe are planning a trip, I think these prints are going to do a beautiful job of highlighting your European travel tours. This paper is just so elegant. And of course, we're coordinating the 4 prints you'll receive with some lovely accent colors. We've got this Merlot color, 2 each of this dark gray with a linen texture, 2 light gray, and 2 black. And as always with our Club Scrap paper, we have really high standards. You'll always find those nice heavy cardstocks. We always include printed cut aparts. These help you finish your layouts very quickly. They contain your page titles, your journaling prompts, and other images that coordinate well with the kit so you don't have to go hunting for embellishments to match the collection. And speaking of embellishing, our kits include ribbon. This time you're gonna find this nice wide harlequin pattern black ribbon, a couple of yards of this pretty coordinating grosgrain, and then we've got this cottony soft gray. We also have a set of a dozen photo mats. Now these are trimmed to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 because your photos are typically 4 by 6. You can just plop your photos right on the mats and you're good to go. For other accents, we've got 2 of these really beautiful sheets of 5 by 7 handmade paper, a gorgeous set of these dazzles border stickers in silver, and a set of 8 of these really classy black corner accents. Now in the past, you may have shopped for supplies, brought them home, and then just wondered, how are you going to go about using them? It's not that way with Club Scrap. So your box arrives, you download and print your instructions, and this document contains every cut you need to make in order to recreate a set of 8 embellished 12 by 12 pages. And even better, you don't even have to read the instructions. Just follow along with my video workshop. Let's check what the layouts we'll make together. And here we have our first 2 pages. You can see right away, we do include all of the elements from the cut aparts, those fun little black corner accents, the ribbon, the silver dazzle borders. All of it comes together in such a beautiful way to help you launch your scrapbooking progress without having a doubt that it's going to turn out. You know your pages will be beautiful. Then, once all of your pages are set, you're good to go to add your photos. Simply crop them according to the measurements provided right in the instructions, and you will be finishing your scrapbooking pages in no time. I know a lot of Club Scrap members were suspicious of doing their scrapbooks in this backward sort of way, finish the pages first, then add the photos, but they love it so much they've been doing it for years. So I hope you consider giving this a try. Pick up your Architectural Elements page kit today, and I'll see you in class.